Press and hold the paper table lowering button to lower the paper table. Hold the button until it has lowered enough to add your new paper. Open the paper feed guides by unlocking them and pulling them out to the sides. Add as much paper as you would like. It can be any combination of color and weight as long as it is the same size, but we do recommend running text weight paper separately from cover weight paper. Finish adding your paper by repositioning the paper guides and locking them into place. The paper table will automatically raise when you begin your next print job. As a side note, the press will also automatically lower the paper table if it becomes empty during a print run. The paper feed setting level adjusts the paper feed pressure according to the paper type you are using. To the right is for normal paper, including newsprint paper and fine paper. To the left is for card papers, like smooth cardstock and thick paper, such as drawing paper. If you are using a combination of thin and thick paper, you should put the switch to the left and use the card setting. The paper delivery area also has paper guides that need to be adjusted based on the size of paper you are using. These guides do not need to be locked and unlocked. They just need to be pushed or pulled into place. Start by pulling the back guide down to the length of your paper. It will click when it reaches the 11-inch mark and a few other common paper lengths. Then push the right and left side guides into place until they match the width of the paper you are using.